Guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing today. Now, I haven't posted any videos for the last 2 weeks, and that is because I've been in the market for 10 years now, and every single time the last 2 weeks of December, I feel that liquidity dries out. Everyone takes vacation and nobody is really paying attention too much. What that means is if the liquidity dries up, somebody with somewhat decent big pockets can manipulate the market. I've been in the Forex market for the last 10 years, so that's what usually happens in the Forex market. I know the crypto is different, I know the commodities a little bit different, but they're all in the same principle. So that's why I didn't post anything, because I figured that the prices wouldn't be that accurate. Now, looking at the daily chart here of Bitcoin, pretty much the last month of December, we've been in this tight range. We are seeing somewhat signs of indecision in the markets. How do I come up with that hypothesis? If we go down to the monthly chart and we zoom in a little bit, what is this candle right here? This candle is a doji. That tells me we have indecision. Now, this doesn't mean that we should go all in and then buy as much Bitcoin as possible. We need to wait and see what's going to happen. But this is a sign of indecision. Like I mentioned before, we were probably going to touch the 161%. We came somewhat close, but not quite. If we go down to the weekly chart, what is this candle right here? Indecision. This lovely candle is another doji. So that tells me that the market doesn't really know what the hell's going on. I figure it's probably because the last 2 weeks of December, as I mentioned, it is the liquidity dries up, everyone goes on vacations, and then when they come back in January, that's when price usually show up their true face, what I call it. As of for now, I wouldn't do anything with Bitcoin. We just sit tight and wait. If we do break above the 78% retracement, then we'll more likely see the 200-day moving average. We'll see a retest of the 200-day moving average and probably a pullback. But as of right now, I wanted to wait and see what's going to happen before I'm making any big commitments when it comes to Bitcoin. Thanks again, guys. Have a good night.